Now the 21st question is integral of tan square of 2x minus 3 times dx. Remember, the idea here is whenever you have integral of tan square x, we don't have a direct formula. The only option is convert the tan square x and write it in terms of secant square as secant square x minus 1. Reason being, we know the integral of secant square x as tan x and we know the integral of 1 is x. So, whenever you do integral of tan square x, actually you will get tan x minus x. Okay. So, borrowing that idea, what we need to do here is tan square of 2x minus 3 is there, no? Angle inside the tan square should be taken as t first. So, you will write 2x minus 3 is equal to t, which implies differentiating on both sides with time, you will get 2 into dx by dt minus 0 is equal to 1. So, this implies 2 dx is equal to dt, but we need only dx in this problem. So, I will take dx as dt divided by 2. So, the whole question will get converted as integral of tan square of 2x minus 3 can be replaced with t into dx is basically dt divided by 2. So, take the 2 outside. So, you will have half of integral of tan square t dt. Now, take that idea and put it here. So, half of integral of, you can write it as secant square t dt minus integral of dt. The reason is I wrote tan square t as secant square t minus 1, right? So, I spread the dt to each term. You will get half of, what is the integral of secant square t? It is going to be tan t minus the integral of dt is going to be t itself, and you have a plus c. So, substitute the value of t back, you will get half of tan of 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 plus c. So, the final answer would be half of tan of 2x minus 3 minus of. So, remember, when you are having a minus sign, always have the practice of using a bracket, okay? Minus of 2x minus 3 plus c. So, this would be the final answer.